Hear me out. My mommy makeover was the best surgery and the best decision of my life. I want to talk about my experience with you guys because, on my platform, I have been nothing but open and honest about every step of my journey. And that journey included plastic surgery. Here is a picture of me before I had kids. Here is a picture of me 2 days before I delivered my second child. And here is a picture of me a year after I delivered her and after losing about 50 pounds. This is 1 month before I had my mommy makeover procedure. Granted, I agree, I was still overweight, but I had a lot of excess abdominal tissue. So here is what I had done. I had a tummy tuck and a 2-inch diastasis correction. That's where your abdominal muscles are split apart from having babies. I had a breast lift and small implants placed because I had no boobs even before I had kids, but after kids, they were just pancakes. I also had back liposuction and underarm liposuction all at one time. I felt comfortable and confident in my surgeon. Most importantly, she heard me and knew what I wanted my body to look like. I had over 5 pounds of abdominal tissue and skin cut off my body during this procedure. I had 2 drains placed that I had to keep for over 4 weeks, and those honestly were a freaking nightmare. The worst part of the surgery, honestly. And then even after the drains were removed, I had a persistent seroma that I had to have aspirated for weeks on weeks on weeks. I only took a few days off from clinic once I had the surgery and went straight back into seeing patients with my drains. And I went back to the OR about a week or 2 later. I didn't think it was that painful of an operation, and I took like maybe 2 or 3 Percocets after the surgery, but after a 24 hours, didn't really need any additional pain medication. This was after the birth of my son, and this was 1 month after I had my surgery. I've lived most of my adult life overweight, so this surgery was completely life-changing to me. It was never a time in my adult life that I could look down and see my feet because I would always see my stomach. And as soon as I woke up from surgery, I could look down and see my feet. You want to know the other weird part of what I experienced as soon as I woke up? I woke up and had no back pain. I had chronic lower back pain. I mean, it wasn't severe, but it was there, and it was there every single day. So to wake up and have that completely gone was really kind of crazy. I think it's because I had all this excess tissue removed, but I think more importantly is because my diastasis was corrected and my core was so much stronger with the fat being gone and with my muscles being tightened. Not only did this increase my confidence level, but it tremendously increased my desire to want to do better for myself on a multitude of levels. I'm a firm believer that plastic surgeons not only improve someone's physical appearance, but it can improve their mental health. I would not be where I am today without the help and confidence that my plastic surgeon gave me. You can't expect a woman to rear a child and then go back to their pre-baby body. Those women that do, look, I'm completely jealous. Any of you that have had this surgery, I would like to hear your experience in the comment section, or if you have any questions about this surgery, let me know. I would love to try to answer as many of them as I can.